Welcome to NEELU Wonderville, a bright, colourful classroom. Mrs Neelu smiles warmly at her energetic friends. Javu, Lily, Max, Robert, John, Emma, Noah, Sophia, Mia and Aiden. Craft supplies overflow on tables. Ribbons, glitter, crayons. Mrs Neelu announces their super fun Easter craft adventure. Their mission: decorate a big Easter basket and create adorable bunny hats. The children cheer loudly with excitement, each child eager to contribute unique ideas. Javu raises his hand, wanting chocolate eggs. A chocolate egg magically appears in the basket with sparkles. Lily suggests colourful stickers for the basket. Bright stickers pop onto the basket side. Max, strong and thoughtful, requests sturdy handles. Robust handles materialize on the basket. Robert envisions delicate paper flowers. Beautiful paper flowers bloom on the basket. John wishes for a little bunny toy. A fluffy bunny toy nestles inside the basket. Emma dreams of shiny stars. Twinkling stars adhere to the basket's rim. Noah, mischievous, wants funny surprises. A tiny jack-in-the-box peeks out. Sophia carefully places imaginary eggs. Perfectly arranged eggs fill a section. Mia suggests beautiful rainbow ribbons. Vibrant ribbons elegantly drape the basket. Aiden, with a flourish, asks for sparkly glitter. A shower of glitter cascades over the basket. The basket glows, bright and wonderfully surprising. It's full of all their creative ideas. Each item magically appeared with sparkles. Soft sounds accompanied each new addition. The children gasp in awe at their creation. Mrs Neelu claps, beaming proudly. The basket is a masterpiece of teamwork. Their combined imagination brought it to life. Javu points to his chocolate eggs. Lily admires her colourful stickers. Max tests the strong new handles. Robert gently touches the paper flowers. John hugs the little bunny toy. Emma marvels at the shiny stars. Noah giggles at the funny surprise. Sophia adjusts the carefully placed eggs. Mia smooths the rainbow ribbons. Aiden watches the glitter shimmer. The Easter basket is now complete. Mrs Neelu announces the next fun craft. Bunny hats. Kids cheer, ready for more creative fun. First step: draw big floppy bunny ears on paper. Close-up of a child carefully tracing ear shapes. Next, cut the ears out with child-safe scissors. Lily meticulously cuts along the lines. Then, colour the ears with bright crayons and markers. Javu proudly shows his rainbow-coloured ears. Finally, glue soft cotton for fluffy ear insides. Noah laughs, pressing cotton onto his ears. The children's bunny hats begin to take shape. Each hat is unique, reflecting their personalities. The magnificent Easter basket, now complete, gleamed brightly. Mrs Neelu clapped her hands, a joyful sound. She praised the children's fantastic teamwork. Next up, super fun bunny hats. Mrs Neelu demonstrated the first step. She drew big floppy bunny ears on paper. A close-up on her crayon, moving smoothly. Children watched with eager, sparkling eyes. Next, she carefully cut out the paper ears. Scissors snipped, a satisfying sound. The classroom buzzed with anticipation. Now the colouring began. Bright crayons and markers appeared magically. Lily chose a rainbow of colours for her ears. Javu meticulously coloured his ears brown. Max focused on making his ears extra strong. Robert added delicate patterns to his paper ears. John drew a tiny carrot on his hat. Emma's ears sparkled with glitter glue. Noah giggled, drawing funny stripes. Sophia carefully shaded her bunny ears. Mia outlined her ears with vibrant ribbons. Aiden sprinkled silver glitter everywhere. The final touch, gluing soft cotton. Fluffy white cotton balls appeared. Children gently pressed cotton onto their ears. The classroom filled with happy chatter. Noah exclaimed, "My ears are super fluffy." Lily proudly showed off her rainbow ears. Javu declared, "My hat is ready for Easter." Sparkles and glitter trails filled the air. Magically, the hats appeared on their heads. Each hat bounced with joyful energy. The children proudly displayed their creations. They pointed to their favorite basket contributions. Sophia admired her carefully placed eggs. Max tapped his strong basket handles. Mia twirled her rainbow ribbons. Aiden's glitter shimmered on the basket. Mrs Neelu smiled warmly at everyone. She emphasized the joy of shared crafts. Crafts are fun when imagined together. Helping each other makes it even better. "Happy Easter from NEELU Wonderville," she announced. Confetti rained down from above. More sparkles filled the screen. The children cheered, waving their bunny hats. A final shot of the magnificent basket. The colorful bunny hats bounced happily. A friendly voice invited viewers to subscribe and to like the video for more fun. The screen faded to a bright, cheerful logo. Kids waved goodbye with glitter trails. Their laughter echoed in the colorful room. The NEELU Wonderville logo shimmered. Text: "Subscribe to NEELU Wonderville." Text: "Like if you love crafts." Sparkles danced around the text. A final, joyful musical flourish. The screen gently faded to black.